Hi, everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Today I am going to share mixed vegetables with cow liver Shingara recipe. Very popular evening snacks and back home. Potato 5 large. Oil 1/4 cup. 5 spices mixed panch foreign. Bay leaf 2. Stir and fry few seconds. Onion 1 cup. Saute 1 minute. Salt to taste. Ginger and garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon. Stir fry. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Stir. Add chopped potato. Chopped carrots 1 cup. Mix. Cover and cook 15 minutes. Stir in between. Cover again. Add cooked liver. Mix. Frozen chickpeas 1 cup. Mix. Chopped green chili 2 teaspoon. Onion 1 cup. Roasted peanuts 1/2 cup. Green onion 1/2 cup. Mix. Tasting salt 1 teaspoon. Fresh coriander leaf 1/4 cup. Mix. Done. Dough preparation. All-purpose flour 3 cup. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Black cumin 1/2 teaspoon. Mix. Oil 1/4 cup. Mix with hand. Perfect. Add water little by little. Make a dough. Cover and rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, knead well. Divided the dough. Cover rest of the dough. Make a roti. Cut into half. Making Shingara's cone. Apply water. Cooked veggies and liver mixture as required. Apply water. Follow the steps. Done. Can be frozen up to month. Place the Shingara in a free heated oil. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Ready to serve. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.